All guns are dangerous, but there are certain firearms that simply tower over the rest of the field in the danger department. Like all other technologies, firearm technology has improved greatly in the last century. Many companies around the world are creating and testing futuristic guns that are like something you would see in a James Bond movie. These advances in technology have created a new generation of incredibly potent armaments whose deadlines is almost limited by the user.
What's up, golf fans? Today, we're taking a swing at one of the most polarizing figures in professional golf, Bubba Watson. This guy is a walking contradiction wrapped in an enigma, smothered in controversy sauce. He's a two-time Masters champion who drives the ball longer than a freight train, but he also has a knack for rubbing people the wrong way. So buckle up, folks, because we're about to explore the reasons why everyone seems to hate on the one and only Bubba Watson.
This takes place frequently in these scams. In order to launder the money, they will tell a victim to send their cash to another victim, usually in the same country. Marsha was then instructed to send that money to other conspirators.